Another day is another is about swap. So welcome. So today I've got my mommy here, as you could see. And we're gonna give away some slime to you people. So, say it, mommy.
Pag mag-message lang kayo sa Ma Karen Rodriguez na Facebook account na nilike nyo and shinare nyo yung and subscribe nyo yung Isabella's Vlog, magkakaroon kayo ng prize, magpapamigay. Yung gagawin ni Bella na slime ngayon, kung sino yung magla-like, share, subscribe, yung first, at least first 5 I think.
Yeah, the winner!
Yun yung winner, yung first 5 na mag-giveaway tayo ng slime para sa, it's either mommy or kids or daddy, bigay nila sa kids nila. Pwede. Basta yung first 5 na like, comment, and then share, and then subscribe, ano lang nila, picturean lang nila, and then i-send nila i-DM nila sa akin sa Facebook account na Ma Karen Rodriguez. Okay?
So thanks for the announcement, mommy. So let's get started to making our slime.
Okay. So our ingredients is
jumbo glue. Of
Jumbo
course, we need some glue. That's the main ingredient. So yeah. Our table is wobbly.
this one,
Oh, that's an activator. We need to shake it.
activator, and then
Magical clay. Look at the back. It's so amazing.
wow.
That's so colorful. Wait, it's like double.
And
24
then,
pieces. We have some mga freebies that come here. It just come today. So we make the vlog today. So,
like glitters and stars.
yeah.
Yeah.
So let's get started. So how much glue am I gonna add? Oh, can you open it?
I'm just gonna help. I don't know how to make slime, but here's the expert. So she's gonna make it for you.
Okay, so I'm gonna just get out this. Because what if we open it and we bagsak it? So that's why it has an extra lid. So guys, I already used the glue for some slimes. How much glue am I gonna add?
I don't know. It's up to you.
Okay, so one slime at a time. So yeah.
Wait a second so they can see. Let's.
Ooh.
There you go.
I think that's enough. We used a lot of glue, Mama. Okay, let's close it first. Okay, of course. And close this cap.
Ay, nakalimutan ko yung lalagayan natin. Kukunin ko sa baba. Okay, basta vlog ka lang dyan. And then, sandali lang ako.
Okay, sandali lang si Mami, guys. So, yun. Nimi-mix ko na sa mixing tool ko. May ganto ako, may blue ako, tapos may puti ako. So, yun. Nimi-mix ko na. Madaming glue ko. Ay, ang dami kong nabawas. Madami akong nabawas na ano. Okay lang. Bibigay ko naman sa 5 winners ko. Sana naman manalo kayo ng slime para may malaro kayo naman. Tapos we're gonna give free activator, only a little bit in case it's sticky for you guys. So yun. Just keep on mixing. Buti nga, ang dami kong glue eh. I-add ko na yung activator ko. Shake ko muna. Shake. May sugat ako dito. Basta sa ilong. Unti lang. Baka strong tong activator. Hindi natin alam. Oh, okay. We're getting somewhere. So, yun, guys. Oh, my mom got a container, and guys, it's getting gloopy.
So here's new containers for your finished product. Okay?
Yeah. So we're gonna add a little bit, a lot, because this activator is not strong. Oh, it's forming, guys. It's forming. It's getting somewhere. It's getting somewhere. I have 2 spoons in case Mommy wants to mix. We need to add more activator because it's not working still. Okay. Oh, I think I had too much. I don't know.
I think kids will love it.
Went on my face. Yeah, kids will love slime because I don't think it's gonna be sticky because we have magical clay. Magical clay fix everything. You need to add more. Mama, dami kong nabawas na glue.
Sana yung mag first 5 comment, yung medyo hindi kayang bumili ng slime. Para magkaroon sila ng slime.
I need to make this fast because what if my iPad storage gets full, guys? So, yun. Tapos, I don't think you guys like to watch very long videos. So, I'm trying to make it fast for you guys. So, yun. Just gonna mix it. I think that's enough activator for this slime. The gigantic slime.
Masarap siyang laruin kasi parang namamassage yung ano mo, no? Yung
Kamay.
Yung hands mo, no? Yung kamay mo. And it feels, anong tawag mo doon? Yung
Sarap.
satisfying, sarap.
Hindi masarap. Tapos, guys, bawal nyo to kainin.
Laro lang.
5 winners, dapat hindi masyado bata kasi baka madikit sa kamay nila tapos baka kainin nila. So, parent, dapat may guardian, may kasama. Baka hindi nyo alam paano maglaro ng slime.
Yeah. Or pwede nilang panoorin yung ibang videos mo para malaman nila paano maglaro ng slime.
Yeah. So, may nagawa kami ni Mega ng video sa videos. So, guys, mag-subscribe po kayo kay Celestine Dilag, Audrey Gabriel Rodriguez, tapos kay Gabriel Cabuco Vlogs, and Megan TV Vlogs.
Oh, don't forget your vlog, Isabella's Vlogs.
Oo nga. Sinabi mo na yun.
So, konti pa lang subscriber mo.
32 lang. So, guys,
32 lang ba? 34.
30.
Hindi ko pa na...
34. 34 pala. Nakalimutan ko dumagdag.
Parang konti yan. Masyadong malaki tong container natin. What do you think?
Nga eh.
Dagdagan mo pa ng glue? Oh, that's enough. Kasi lalagyan mo pa nito. Lalagyan mo pa ba nito?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I think that should be enough.
Yeah, because that's a big clay. So, guys, comment down say in my mom's Facebook page, what color do you guys want? Because I don't know what color I'm making muna. I'm gonna make, you're gonna see because I don't know what yet. I think I'm gonna go in with my hands because it's kind of getting hard to mix. So, that is disgusting. But it's fun.
Oh, danan.
Yeah. It has so many chunks in it. We just have to mix it because what if it gets overactivated for you guys and I just wasted my glue. This table's so wobbly, Mommy.
Wait. Saan?
Dito, oh. Dito. There you go. Now I could do it.
Lagay na natin to.
Wag muna.
Wag muna.
Dapat ma-activate na to.
Halo lang ng halo, guys.
Yeah, halo ng halo. I'm gonna make it like a little bit, just a little bit overactivated for you guys kasi baka hindi kayo marunong tapos madikit sa kamay nyo, just like this. Pero hindi pa ready to. Kung may ingredients na kayo, ito paano magawa ng activator, borax tsaka tubig lang. Di ba ang dali? Hindi pwede baking soda kasi hindi pwede.
Bakit? Ano mangyayari pag baking soda?
Pag baking soda tapos tubig, glue lang.
Okay.
You could also use contact lens solution, but we're using borax because that's too expensive here in the Philippines. So. But already made activator it's expensive. This jumbo glue is 400. If you want to make slime, then just buy your own ingredients. But if you just want already made slime, just
So that, yung glue niya na 400 pesos, she works hard for it. Minasahe niya ako. Then I'll give her money to buy for the glue, for her glue.
Hindi. She didn't give me money. She's the one who bayad talaga.
Ganun nga talaga. Ganun na nga ang nangyari.
Oh.
It's the same.
It's getting somewhere, Mommy. But it's still sticky. Oh, my hand is tired. Okay. I think I'm gonna go in with 2 hands. And can you be the one who add the activator? If it's not enough.
Yeah. I'm so excited for this.
I need to take the spoon.
At saka dun sa makakuha ng slime mo na homemade slime mo.
So sorry guys kung matagal tong video na to kasi mahirap magawa ng slime. Ayan na.
Wow! Ang galing ah!
Pero
Fresh.
hindi pa nasimot.
Fresh na fresh ang slime.
Hindi pa nasimot. Hindi ko muna isisimot.
So guys, pag na-upload na to, ano na kayo kagad? Like, subscribe, and then...
Tapos, mag-comment kayo sa Facebook page. Pag hindi kayo mag-subscribe...
No, DM lang nila ako. Message lang nila ako sa Messenger. Ang pangalan ko ay Ma Karen Rodriguez.
It's,
Ma Karen Gutierrez Rodriguez sa Facebook account.
ayun guys, na-soft na.
Yung first 5 na magme-message sa akin, yun ang mananalo ng slime.
Mabait tong pamilya na to. Ayan guys, na-form na.
Because we don't wanna waste it, we wanna share it, right?
Yeah. Mama, kailangan ako ng lotion or hair gel.
Para saan?
Matigas to.
Anong gagawin ko?
Kunin yung lotion.
Lotion? Okay.
So guys, kukunin lang yung mami ko. Tapos, please, God, wag ma-full storage yung iPad ko. Please, gagawin ko lahat para sa fans ko. Kasi kailangan nila ng slime kung gusto nila. Si Ate Micah ay, my God. Ate Micah, kung gusto mo ng slime, pwede ka din magbili. Kahit, basta favorite YouTuber kita, Ate Micah Gosum TV Vlogs. Tapos, pwede din kayo mag-subscribe. Pero madami na yung subscribers nila. So yun guys, bubuksan ko na yung clay ko. Salamat.
Any lotion ba? Ito nakita ko sa baba.
Yeah, any lotion.
Okay.
Pwede. Ay,
Paano? Nakalak yata.
ayun.
Okay.
Let's see if it will. Ayun yung lotion. Any lotion, guys. Any. Pero wag masyado madami.
Tapos sa next vlog ni Isabella ay yung mananalo, iba-vlog natin kung sino yung mga nanalo. Kung sino yung mga nabigyan. And then baka mag-take sila ng picture na nakuha nila. Okay?
Pero paano natin ibibigay?
Mabibigay natin yon. Kung malapit, di pwedeng ibigay din sa malapit din. Mag-ano na lang, magme-message kung saan magme-meet up, right?
We know any place. My dad is gonna take you there. Because this is the face that was gonna deliver because I'm not pwede. Hindi ako pwede.
Bawal lumabas ang bata.
Yeah, bawal lumabas. Bawal lumabas. Pero pag sinabi, pag. Can you open the clay now?
Yep.
Well, I'm still needing this.
Can I pick?
Yeah.
I wanna pick.
Okay.
Okay, I think I'm going to pick neon green. Okay?
Don't smush it a little. Mommy. Ayun, guys, yung slime na
This one I pick.
Yun. Maganda yung pinili mo, Mama. Ito nga yung gusto ko eh.
Ang daming kulay, oh.
Yan. Okay. Hinahanap ka ni Kingston na.
Hinahanap ako ng, isang anak ko dun sa baba.
Kapatid ko.
Okay. Here.
So yun guys, hinahanap ng kapatid ko.
Andun si Lola sa baba.
But in,
She'll take care of Kingston.
wow, we're making a vlog.
Wait a second!
So guys, naawa ako kay Kingston kasi hindi siya sumali. Ay, umakyat siya. Ayun guys, na ano na. Woohoo! Ito na yung slime. Tatawag ko to ng green apple slime. Kung gusto nyo ng green apple slime, yun. Baka manalo kayo. Kung hindi kayo nanalo, huwag kayo huwag kayo mag-alala. Magsa-slime videos pa rin ako tapos mag-giveaway. Huwag kayo mag-aalala. Kung hindi kayo manalo, okay lang. Mag-giveaway kami ng better slime sa dito. Ito na yung finished product. Ito na, oh, ay puti pa rin. Ito na yung finished product. Napakalaki. It's a light green. So guys, this slime is very nice to touch. This is how we play it. We just stretch it like this and then no eating. No eating. Bawal. 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 So yun guys. Dapat isimot ko to. So yun, iisisimot ko kung kaya ko. Tapos guys, mag-follow po kayo sa ano yun? Sa TikTok account ko. That would be in the description box below. Tapos yung Rodriguez, hindi yun yung spelling sa Facebook page ni Mami. So guys, ito yung first giveaway namin. Ito lang yung kaya ko. Huwag na nga. Pakahirap magsimot eh. Nakatago ka.
Wow! Napakaganda naman yan! Wow!
Slime expert is always best slime.
Okay na ba? Okay na ba yan?
Yup.
O, pwede na natin lagay sa container.
Ay. Ano pala?
Okay lang. Wow! Perfect!
Kasha.
It's so perfect! Look! Finished product! Ang ganda! Wow! Okay.
And that is a green apple slime.
And then, I think, I'm gonna, nag-order ako sa Tita Ann and Tita Pao ng stickers. Lalagyan natin ng stickers dito. Okay? Okay? So, bye for now. And then, gagawa kami pa ng mga gagawa pa kami ng mga apat. And then, next vlog, papakita namin sa inyo kung sino yung mga nanalo, mga nabigyan ng
And then we're gonna make
slime.
more slime for you.
So hurry! Kung sino nga mag-first 5 na mag-like, share, and subscribe, and then screenshot, padala nyo sa akin sa messenger ko yung mga mananalo yung first 5. Okay?
So yun guys, mama pa ako magawa ng slime.
Oo.
Sa akin.
Okay, so bye guys!
Bye!
Have fun!
Stay safe from COVID-19.
Stay
Peace
safe.
out.